like it's coming from the Dodge behind.
I know, right?
Yes.
Sounds like an LS.
It is.
Right?
I can guarantee you it is.
It actually sounded really good going by.
Yeah, it's like you started out, I'm like, is that
You're like, wait, that doesn't.
I'm
You're
like,
like,
that
wait,
doesn't sound like
right.
a Mopar.
Yeah.
And then he comes.
All right, guys, welcome back to another one. Almost got run over by the Audi, but they didn't get me. Not this time. So we're doing a little quick night meet out here in Sema before we leave. They have an RWB meet happening tonight, and there's a bunch of cool cars out here. So it's not just about the Porsches tonight. There's a bunch of fun stuff. We're gonna run around. I'm gonna show you guys what's out here. I'm gonna attempt not to get run over. We'll see how the night goes, and we're gonna have some fun. So you guys, let me know what you think. Nice little bonus for the night while we're here at Sema. All right, let's get at it. Let me show you guys what's out here. All right, let's take a look at what we got down here. Everything's super dark, so I'm gonna try and put some lights on it. Show you guys what's out here. Give you guys a good look at all the different ones that are out here.
Where? There's a build.
Where? I want to know. I heard about it.
Yeah, Nakai's building.
She came up in there, remember? She came up DJ.
So give you guys a good look at everything that's out here. It's kind of cool because this gives me the feel of the RWB pre-meet that we do in Japan the day before Tokyo Auto Salon. So it's cool to come out here and be able to see everything. Take a quick look at them. The only downside is like you don't really get to like take pictures of them. That's what's hard about it. So, but I wanted to show you guys all the different cars that are out here. Show you all the different options. Show you which ones came out. Looks like a bunch of them were playing out in the desert, playing out in the salt flats or something. Because there are a lot of them that are just dirty. So.
Even at night like this.
But it's cool because you typically don't get to see this many anywhere. Like you normally get to see like one or two every now and then, but the only time I ever see this many is literally at Tokyo Auto Salon, and it's the pre-meet for Tokyo Auto Salon. It's usually the only time I get to see like this many all together. So it's cool. Like I really like. Try and give you guys a look. That was just an incredible row. We still have, well, we got a 35 over here. Let's see what else we got down this way. BMW, got some more on this side. Let me show you guys. And they are dirty. I kind of like it, because that means they were driving them. So. Sorry about the little shaky. My gimbal tried to keep up for a whole day of Sema and then the night shooting and everything else, and I finally ran out of battery. I might have to buy another handle just for this. So let's see. And then we got a little K truck. After all that, check out. We got a nice little K truck here. They are fun. GT2 RS. Sitting over here, looking kind of lonely all by itself with all the other RWBs over there. That's a fun car though. You can tell. Look, they were all together. They were all doing the exact same thing. So let's take a walk. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the parking lot around the side. We got a bunch of other cars all parked over there and everything too. So let's head over there. Let's take a look. Got the four-door. Cool. Little graffiti setup on it. Got the wagon ahead of that one. Kind of has the same little feel. Now we got all sorts of good stuff out here. We got a good set of cars here today. I mean, you got the S15, you got the little EK4. Let's see what else we got over here. Got the G, a couple Alphas, a couple GSs over here. Let me show you guys. Got the 8.6. Couple GS's, nice little S2K with the CR front lip. Got a like EF wagon. Looks pretty good too. Let's see what else we got. Got the Tesla. Another S2K. Trying not to walk you guys around too much. My poor little gimbal didn't make it the whole day, so now I'm having to walk you guys. Let's head over here. We got a couple other. We got the mobile detailing guy, the whole ice setup. Look at stance out. A couple VIP cars here. A couple 400s, which is cool to see. Don't get to see them too often, especially out in the wild. But you know, they look real clean. Got a 14 over here. Trying to get them set up for some photos, it looks like. All right, so we got the 14 over here.
Oh, weren't you at Grassroots?
Oh, yeah, of course. I'm everywhere.
Man, you're a long way from the East Coast.
It's good fun. I keep bumping into a lot of people from the East Coast, so I just bumped into another guy right before him. He was like, wait, what are you doing out here? I'm like, what are you doing out here? We're doing the same thing. So it's pretty cool. Little RWB pre-meet, little RWB meet for during Sema. Little EK SIR. Check it out. This is another cool one. Nice little setup. It's got the RPFs on it. Like Porsche, another S2K in the background right there. Rocking the same thing. Looks good. It's darking a lot, but I'm gonna get you guys what's here. So let's see what else we got. Got an MK4, little GSR Integra. All right, and then what's going to be one of my favorites of the day. Look, little right-hand drive Odyssey pulled up. This is cool. This is really fun. I would love to have one of these. This would be a ton of fun.
And that's why
This is cool to see.
not done the
You got the little four-door. All right, I had to show you guys that one. Let's see what else we can find. Let's run through a couple more cars we find. So, got the Drift Spec SC300. Not a Soarer because it is left-hand drive. You guys get on me about that. Dude, the LS dumped out. That one looks good. Got a couple VIP setups. 180 looks great. They're all kind of drift setups, all the way down the way they're set up. Looks good. Got a little bash bar up front. It's a little swinger. Make sure it's not automatic. Hey, it's not. Good for them. I have to check just in case. But it's got a good look. That's a good set of cars right there. Let's see what else we got over here. We got a wide. Got a set of fenders on like a Chaser, I think. Somebody going by. Let's see what's over here. It's cool. Got a couple cool right-hand drives. extra cars that were out here today. Got a nice little Porsche. Yeah. It's cool.
Yeah. No, the stock. It took me a while to get used to.
Bunch of fun cars out here today.
Put a bigger turbo in it.
Everybody's just hanging out, doing their. All right, so we got a couple high-end ones over here. Looks like we got Gigi out here with her McLaren. Got one of the RSs over there. Got a Huracan over here. Let's see what else we got. So got another one over there. Little G80, G82. Cop came in and left. I got kind of worried when I saw the cop. Got another one here. Man, bunch of good stuff today. So I'll keep looking through. If I see anything else, I'll pop back on for you guys and show you. Otherwise, I got to get out of here. I got to catch a flight pretty soon. But you guys let me know what you think. I run around in Vegas having fun. Gimbal's not working. I had to put you guys handheld, but I still wanted to show you what came out today. Run through the RWBs for you guys, show you all that good stuff, show you all the other cars that came out. The parking lot was actually really good today. A ton of good stuff. So you guys, let me know what you think. Drop those comments. I hope you guys had fun at this little impromptu, RWB meet that they just threw out of nowhere. So anyways, ton of fun. Man, it's a late night. All right, so I'm gonna fly back. I'll be back on the East Coast for this weekend. Maybe we'll do Texas in a couple weekends and go do that GTR festival that's coming up. That was good. They said that at 3,000 horsepower R32 was going to be out there. I just want to see it. I just want to see it run. Like it was nuts. But all right, so we're gonna get out for tonight. We're gonna head back, and I guess that's it. If anything else pops up, I'll pop back in. But otherwise, thank you guys. I'll see you at the next one. Thanks.